Yeah, her coat looks really nice.
You need to check for much. Okay, she's doing so much better than she's been. She's still not good, but she's doing better. It's coming, kitty. It's coming.
He waits every morning. And he brings 2 squirts of milk.
The strip milk we give the cat. Oh, come on. Come on, Mama.
She is so stupid.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Why are you being dumb today? You were fine yesterday. Thank you. Oh, whatever. We're still training, so I can't put the bucket down, and I have to do one hand at a time, but her baby boy is still on her, so you can see him in the bottom. One of her sides has almost no milk in it because that's the side the baby prefers. So this side has more.
But she also doesn't let you milk the other side as much.
Not very well. She's pretty bratty about it. But today, we've really got to mess with her. We found that she has has an extra teat, also known as a spur. So we've got to do some checking to see if it has an orifice, which means milk will come out of it or not. Okay.
Okay, move out of the way, please.
Okay, so you can see she has an extra teat right here. And if it has a way of squirting milk, then it is a serious genetic defect. I'm not seeing anything. What about you, Emma?
No.
Nothing. Which then means it is most likely just a birth defect. I feel absolutely see nothing to indicate that that is an actual teat. So that's good news. I still have more research to do on the matter. But from what I understand, if it is a genetic defect, she's not something you should ethically breed. If it is just a birth defect, come on, Mama, then it's not really a big deal. She's not good at letting me milk that other side. Is this the other side? I'm just gonna leave it at that. So my beautiful friend that brought her to me, they were not aware that she had that. Before they have a baby, their teats are so small, it's really hard to see. So it went unnoticed. She said otherwise she would not have brought her to me. She feels terrible. She's a respectable breeder. She's amazing. We love her. There's no hard feelings. So we've got some research to do, whether this is something that we can ethically breed or if we're gonna have to replace her. And her sister, I haven't looked at her. She doesn't have any udder right now either. So we may need to hold her down and check and see if she has the same issue because they're from the same kidding. So they're twin sisters. So, you know, we'll do whatever we do. Yes, Jonah's gotta finish this. We just hold her in. But she's doing so much better than she was, like, in the beginning. But this is when you have to be farm tough. It's like these hard decisions, you know, do you keep breeding an animal? Do you replace? Do you cull? Do you give away as a
Pet.
As a pet? So I don't know. We've got some research ahead of us and some hard choices. Maybe they're
Hello, my baby. How's your horns feeling? Cute. Why is it so blurry?
It's gonna be a hot.
Ah! She just ate me. Ah! Go away. Gross.
I only see 2. I'm sure if I touched her, she'd have a meltdown. But I only see 2. There you go, baby.
Stay right there.
Hi. His dehorning looks like it went well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. That looks good.
He's such a sweet little boy.
He really is. Huh. Really sweet boy. Sweet boy. I guess it's pretty common for first fresheners to only have 1 kid. Jonah was researching that. So maybe if we breed her again, maybe we'll get more next time. He's so cute.
I've got to get Freya out or she's going to be mad at me.
Yes.
Ooh, Sam, isn't it Sam's job for the poop to be scooped out?
We gotta
usually?
scoop the poop. We're trying to keep the flies. I thought that was a big old pile of poop stuff. You hit the camera. I thought that was poop. It is not.
Oh.
We scoop the poop so it eliminates flies in her
Well,
stomach.
come on. She's not.
She
she's
smells
just
the grain on her
curious.
hands.
Yeah.
She
Come
says,
on.
"Mm."
She knows it's there.
So I would take her to the middle of the field. She knows her grains are waiting. Good job, Em. Sorry.
She's just a butt if it's there before I bring her out.
Yeah. That was Dad's suggestion to have it out first, but I see your point. I wonder why she paws when she eats. It's like I can't get it fast enough, so I have to paw the ground.
That's a big daddy long leg.
It is. It's beautiful.
It's fat.
Oh.
Like the legs aren't long, but like they are long, but
It's fat and sassy.
sure.
It's gonna be a hot one today.
Yeah.
Passing the bucket is easier than the hose.
I agree.
Move it. Move it. Move it.
Lula. Hey, baby.
No.
She's got food.
Great. She's water. Isn't that easier when she's in with the goats? But in due time. Huh. In due time. You special girl.
She's so big.
She is so big.
Oh, and her breath smells so much better than Sophie's.
I know. Sophie's having issues. Good girl.
She's got these big old paws. I know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, flies.
All over it.
I know.
Oh.
There we go. Perfect. Is there any more? Try not to pick up all the.
Nothing.
I think that's it.
Only one. Go dump it on the compost pile.
Ooh, you can't even see you at all. You're backlit.
Bucket out.
What?
Dump it on the compost pile. Then you gotta rinse the bucket out.
Okay.
So rinse it out now.
There's a beetle in it.
Gross. Why are you're still in your pajamas? Okay, Court, turn it off now. You're just rinsing it out.
Oh.
Just like swish it around and dump it out. That's not even. Did you even hear what I said?
Sorry.
All right, I'm done.
I love coffee filters. Reusable, rewashable, fantastic. So this is out of basically one side of her teat. She still has her baby on her. I've not started separating at all.
Is that much milk was one side?
So I'd say that is pretty darn good.
Not as much as we've gotten before, but
Yeah.
still good.
Mm-hmm. Why does the milk
She
look
varies
bluish
from, no,
greenish?
that's a good amount.
That looks like green, bluish greenish milk.
It doesn't look bluish greenish to me.
On this side it does.
So with the first freshener, you don't get as much milk. It's just everything's a little bit not as good. So I'm pretty happy with our progress so far. It's only gonna get better. So we'll just do more research. We'll keep you updated on what we are going to do, whether we'll keep her or replace. I'm hoping we can keep her.